If you have been sourcing or import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this video right now because I'm going to give you a simple trick on how to find a reliable supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about China importation business. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see simple trick to find a reliable suppliers on 1688. So let's dive in. So I'm going to click on here to open my 1688 shopping app. Then having opened up your 1688 shopping app, what you need to do is to simply scroll down like this. Now, for you to identify a reliable supplier, every reliable supplier has been labeled something like this. In recent time, as a result of updates on 1688, so they have changed the label to something like this. So any supplier you see a label like this, then they are reliable supplier. Then what we want to do here is to simply click on like this one right here. So let's simply click on the product link right here. Then I will explain more better. Then it takes us to this particular page. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on here to proceed. All right, so take a look at this sales page right here. Now, if I swipe this way, you are going to see more product picture and the likes. Okay, if I simply scroll down, right now, as at the time of making this video, over 2,000 people have purchased this item in the past. So this is one of the things you need to take into consideration when you get to a reliable supplier on 1688. When a supplier label reliable by 1688 is a promo on its own. So this allows every buyer that have confidence on that particular supplier, and as a result of that, it's increased their sales and they deliver high quality products to the end user. So this is one of the things you need to take into consideration. You can imagine 2,100 plus rating from a single product. Then you can simply scroll down, so you can see the rating right here with even the pictures of the previous buyer. So you can see them right here. This is another one, this is another one, and this is another one. The more we scroll down, the more we see this verified and reliable supplier. Let's take a look at this particular store right here. So you can see the badge right here. So what I'm going to do here is to simply click on the product link. Then after click on the product link, it takes you to this page. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to proceed to the sales page. Then from the sales page right here, what are the things you need to take into consideration? One of them is the rating. So right here, these items has been rated with over 1,000 plus in the past. So you can imagine rating with 100% rating. So a 1,000 plus people can be lie of a quality. So you have to consider that. So they even give a rating with a product picture added to their review. So for you to check on more rating by different buyer, simply click on the 100% right here, and then you read detail about their rating. Now, another thing to take into consideration when you see a reliable supplier is the fact that this supplier here must have overall rating right here, and the overall rating should not be below 4 rating or 4.5 or aggregate of 5 rating. There are some stores like that, they have 5-star rating, but 4-star rating, you can still consider them. They are good supplier to patronize. So 4-star rating is a go. Okay, then another thing to consider here is that the number of years they have been in operation. So this is just a year old store, but this does not mean that this supplier here, they were not reliable. One of the first thing is that, so one of the confidence we have with them here is that they have been reliable and they have been verified and labeled reliable by 1688. There is no doubt about their genuity and deliver of a product. Even if there is a mess up along the line of when we place order and there is a mess up by the store or the supplier fail to deliver the high quality we want, we can simply report them to 1688 buyer support and we will get our money back. Then when you get to the access page, as far as reliable supplier is concerned, you are going to see this board right here, this gold board right here. So that is another thing you need to take into consideration. You can simply scroll down and check more about the store. So this store here, they were basically on round neck polo. We can simply scroll down and check the graphics detail of the product, such as size, colors, and the quality cutting, etc. So we can simply translate all these things and we'll be able to understand what is written right here. And down below right here, these are all other reliable suppliers. So like I said earlier in the beginning of the video, any supplier you see stuff like this, they have been labeled to be a reliable supplier. You can consider them for your procurement and shipping from China with 1688. So this is what I have for you as far as how you can find a reliable supplier on 1688, a step-by-step tutorial guide. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about China importation business with 1688. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.